Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you days of the week in 5 different languages: English, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu and Hindi. So let's begin. The first day of the week is Monday as per the international standard. In Tamil it is Tingatkilamai. Tingatkilamai. In Kannada Somavara. Somavara. In Telugu, it is Somavaramu. Somavaramu. In Hindi, it is Somvar. Somvar. If you see, apart from the Tamil, the other languages like Kannada, Telugu and Hindi are almost similar because Hindi is derived from Sanskrit and Kannada and Telugu are highly influenced by Sanskrit. So that's why. So it will be actually easy for you. So let's move to the next day. Tuesday. Tuesday. In Tamil, Sevvaikkilamai. Sevvaikkilamai. In Kannada, Mangalavara. Mangalavara. In Telugu, it is Mangalavaramu. Mangalavaramu. In Hindi, it is Mangalvar. Mangalvar. So the next day is Wednesday. Wednesday. In Tamil, it is Pudankilamai. Pudankilamai. In Kannada, it is Budhavara. Budhavara. In Telugu, it is Budhavaramu. Budhavaramu. In Hindi, it is Budhvar. Budhvar. So the next day is Thursday. So in English, Thursday, and in Tamil, it is Vyazhakkilamai. Vyazhakkilamai. In Kannada, Guruvara. Guruvara. In Telugu, Guruvaramu. Guruvaramu. In Hindi, Guruvar. Guruvar. So the next day is in English, Friday. Friday. In Tamil, Vellikkilamai. Vellikkilamai. In Kannada, Shukravara. Shukravara. In Telugu, Shukravaramu. Shukravaramu. In Hindi, Shukravar. Shukravar. So let's go to the next day, which is Saturday. In English, Saturday. In Tamil, Sanikkilamai. Sanikkilamai. In Kannada, Shanivara. Shanivara. In Telugu, Shanivaramu. Shanivaramu. In Hindi, Shanivar. Shanivar. So the last day of the week is Sunday. In English, Sunday. In Tamil, ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை. ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை. In Kannada, Bhanuvara. Bhanuvara, or you can also say Ravivara. Ravivara. In Telugu, it is Adivaramu. Adivaramu. In Hindi, it is Ravivar. Ravivar. I hope you like this video, and if you want more such videos, please like and subscribe so I can upload more videos for you. Thank you very much.